Hey guys, today I brought you two recipes of traditional Kenyan meal, comforting, nutritious, and easy to cook. And for our first recipe is mashed arrowroots with potatoes and githeri, pure homemade style goodness. This recipe brings together the rich, earthly and flavor of mashed arrowroot and potatoes, creating a smooth, filling dish that pairs beautifully with the warm, hearty githeri. The combination is wholesome and deeply traditional. Perfect anyone craving to comforting Kenyan meal, nutritious, simple, and homemade with everyday ingredients. This plate feels like true home cooking. So welcome guys, let's prepare this, follow the recipe and learn how to make these awesome recipes at home. First, we're going to boil potatoes with the arrowroots, and then we add salt to taste and leave them to cook. As you can see, they are well cooked. We're going to be draining the excess water and then we proceed to cook. So at this point we've drained excess water, then we're gonna add the githeri. Githeri is a mixture of maize and beans, and then we leave them to cook a bit and then we mash everything together, as you can see guys. And make sure your heat is low as you mash. So guys, we continue to mash until the whole ingredients are well combined, as you can see. So guys, you have to make sure your mokimo has enough water. It's soft, not dry, for because arrowroots are a bit chalky. So I've fried my onion on the side with oil, so I'm gonna put them in and then continue mashing. So I'm simply frying the mukimo, the arrowroot mukimo. This is our traditional food, guys. Make sure you try this recipe and let me know what you think about it on the comment section. The oil and the onions, they make it look so nice and tasty. And make sure you check the salt. And my stew is on the other side. I'm having it with a beef stew. See, guys, looks really nice and it's yummy. So guys, make sure you try this recipe and let me know on the comment section what you think about this whole recipe. So you can see how it looks, and let's go to the next recipe. On this recipe I'm gonna be using green peas, plantain and potatoes. Mashed green peas with plantain potatoes. They are very colorful when you combine them together, and they are a very classic design, delight. So enjoy watching my vibrant healthy mash made from creamy green peas, tender plantain and soft potatoes. This traditional mixture is packed with natural sweetness, fresh flavor and a soft satisfying texture. It's a timeless Kenyan flavor that both nourishing and incredibly easy to prepare. Ideal for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Yeah, sometimes we have it for breakfast. Yeah, if you work in a construction site, it gives you energy to work. So guys, follow the recipe and you also tell me what you think about it. So we'll do the same thing we did with the last one. So to make this soft, make sure you use the water that you drained when you boiled the ingredients. So use that water to soften the mukimo. So these are just 2 mukimos. We have many mukimos that we cook in my community, and they are all traditional. My stew is cooking on the other side, and you have to make sure your stew has some soup in it. The soup goes very well with mukimo because mukimo is a bit chalky. So we're gonna be frying this. As you can see, I have my red onion with the oil. I'm gonna be adding it there. So, and then we mash. And I told you guys, these onions makes the mukimo taste very nice. It improves the taste of the mukimo. And you can add onion leaves also. If you have onion leaves you can also add. They make the mukimo more tastier. This one I'm gonna be having it with some chicken. Yeah, guys, look at that mukimo. Looks really nice. The peas are well mashed and the color comes out nicely. The onions, the oil that makes it moist. looks really nice, yummy. Let me know, guys, which one do you like better, the first one or the second one? Guys, let me know on the comment section. Do you like the first one or the second one? And I have others on this channel, so guys, you can go check them out and let me know. Do you like them, guys? Let me know. So guys, you see my kienyeji chicken. This is my kienyeji chicken that I made earlier. That's what I'm gonna be having with my mokimo there. So guys, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, go check my other videos. This is how I ate this was my plate for the arrowroot mokimo. Guys, go check out my other recipes. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and like this video. Bye bye, guys.